AI GameBuilder review. Hey everyone, ever dreamed of creating a PS5 level game in minutes? No coding needed? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into an AI tool that promises exactly that. Also, I have more than $15,000 worth of bonuses waiting for you. So what exactly is AI GameBuilder? Simply put, it's pitched as the world's first AI-powered app that lets you instantly create and launch enterprise-level online video games, much like popular titles such as Fortnite or GTA, all in just minutes. It's designed to be a 100% done-for-you game creation suite, handling everything from levels and characters to storylines and graphics, with just a few clicks, supposedly without needing any coding or design skills. Let's see the demo of AI GameBuilder and understand everything about it. I hope you understand how the AI GameBuilder does its magic. Here are some of the premium bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Now let's see the OTOs, the one-time offers as well. We have already seen the AI GameBuilder Front-End. To check all the OTOs, click the link in the description. So, the first OTO is Unlimited Edition. The second OTO is Enterprise. Third OTO is Done For You Edition. Fourth OTO is Game Site. Fifth OTO is Unlimited Traffic. Sixth OTO is a 360-degree VR games builder. Seventh OTO is Agency. Eighth OTO is Reseller. Lastly, the ninth OTO is AI GameBuilder White Label. This isn't just an opportunity, it's the future of gaming. Stop letting massive development costs hold you back. The AI GameBuilder is your shortcut to launching stunning, profitable games on PlayStation, Xbox, and more, all with zero coding required. Secure your lifetime access right now and start building your gaming empire today. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool.